Hi there. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure the connection between your various data sources and your Tableau dashboards. For this demo, we'll use the Google Analytics connector. However, you can use any connectors that you'd like here. We'll fill in all the basic required fields, choose the correct Google Analytics account that we want to extract data from. We'll go with this one. I can choose a few metrics, dimensions, and the date range. Of course, we can also automate this entire process, which means that these metrics and dimensions will be extracted daily at 7 a.m. London time here. I'll click Retrieve Data, and we can see there are a few values populated here, and we will click Save. And now that the new source is created, we can add this to our integration flow. We will call it Data to Tableau. I'll choose the destination type, which is Dashboarding and BI Apps. Now I'll save the integration, and in the Tableau tab, we can see all of the details necessary to connect to Tableau.